Morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Today we will study chapter 3 nouns. Okay, so pay attention and listen carefully. Dear students, you have understood about nouns. Okay, so let's we see some examples. Identify the highlighted nouns as proper, common, collective, or abstract. Okay. Also identify if each of them is countable, uncountable, masculine, or feminine. Common or neuter. Each noun could be placed in more than one category. Okay, this will be you should do your work. Okay, dear students, Ayush is a good carpenter. One day he found a wad of banknotes. He had earned this money after delivering some furniture to a customer. He had made a table and 6 chairs. All of these were made of rosewood. No one suspected Anush. Everyone who knew him admired him for his sincerity and honesty. He was saving some money to educate his daughter. Okay, the students, you should do your work. It will be your homework. Okay. Now we start kinds of nouns. We know that nouns are names of persons, place, animals, or things. You already know this. Nouns are the names of persons, place, animals, or things. Okay. There are different kinds of nouns, such as common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns. Okay. Now we should start common and proper nouns. Okay. Common nouns are names of persons, place, animals, or things in general. The words we generally used in our lives are called common nouns. Okay. Examples like engineer, hammer, town, peacock, etc. Okay. And proper nouns are names of particular persons of places. And proper nouns are the names of particular person or places. Okay. Like example, Red Fort, Sneha Sharma, Yamuna, Mount Abu. The students, Sneha Sharma is the name of particular persons, and Mount Abu is a place of particular hill. Okay, like this, Yamuna is a particular name of any river, place, and Red Fort also a particular place. Okay, so dear students, exercise A. Read this passage and circle all the nouns, then complete the task given below. Dear students, you should read this paragraph and circle all the nouns given in this passage. Like this, one paragraph I should do. One day a man named nouns, Montu nouns. Okay. Talking stroll in the forest nouns. Aravalis nouns. When she saw tabby nouns, cat nouns, whole nouns. You should do like this. Dear students, you should circle all the nouns by reading this exercise, this paragraph. Okay. This will be your homework. Okay. So let's Go to next page. And now we will read collective nouns. Okay, collective nouns. A collective nouns refers to a set or group of people, animals, or things. Collective nouns is, dear students, refers to a set of group. Okay, set of groups of people. Okay, or animals or things. Okay, it may be or people or animals or things. Okay, for example, a collection of stamps, a team of players. Okay, they are called collective nouns because they are referred to a whole set or group of stamps and players. Collective nouns are usually in this form. Okay, a oblique an article. Okay, then collective nouns, then of preposition, then plural noun. Okay, example, a herd of buffaloes. Okay, means a collection of a group of buffaloes. Okay, a bunch of bananas means a group of bananas. Okay, and there are, this will be your homework, dear students. You should match the nouns with their collective nouns with their nouns. Okay, an army of, like this, soldiers. Okay, a flock of, like this. Okay, a school of fish, a choir of singers. Okay, a band of players. No, a band of musicians, a team of players. Okay, a galaxy of stars, a library of books. Okay, a fleet of ships. Where is ships? Ships. Okay, a pack of cards. Okay, you should complete this way. Okay, and now we see abstract noun. Okay, abstract nouns are qualities. Okay, abstract nouns are qualities, feelings, ideas, or state of a person, place, animals, or things. Dear students, abstract noun, the qualities, okay, of feelings, ideas, states of person, place, okay, animals, or things. Okay, they are called abstract nouns because we cannot see, hear, smell, or touch them. We cannot see, smell, or touch them. We can only experience them. Okay, such as examples: hatred, which means quality of hate; justice, quality of idea of justice. Okay, happiness, feelings, quality of feelings; poverty, state of poor. Okay, this is the example of. And now see another page, page number. There is a exercise. Okay, you should pay attention. Complete the sentence by the choosing the correct abstract nouns from the box. Okay, you should first read these words. Okay, and then complete the sentences. Children must be allowed to enjoy their, what will be here, childhood. First one is, what will be here, childhood. In second one, blank must be valued. Here will be freedom. What will be freedom? Okay. And now third, Rakesh believes that he will be an astronaut one day. It is this beliefs. There will be beliefs. Okay. In third number, beliefs. I have great blank for Mrs. Brown. There will be respect. In fourth number, what would be respect? Okay. In fifth, when I am hungry, I get very irritable. I cannot bear hunger. Means what will be hunger? Okay. And now six, our elders are wise. Because of their experience, we must respect their wisdom. In sixth number, what will be wisdom? Where is wisdom? Wisdom. Okay. Now in seventh, do not be impatient. Patient. There will be patience. Okay, patience. Okay, patience. In now eight, weather and climates are two different things. Let us understand the difference. There will be difference. Okay, difference. Okay, dear students, now we have explained the chapter very well. I think you have understood. If you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitations. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.